Today I'm driving up to Shenandoah National Park. I've arrived here and it's a beautiful fall day and cars are queued up to get into the park. Let me show you. This is what I see in front of me right now. And if you look through my rearview mirror, you can see that. But there are cars queued up behind me as well. I would say in about 15 minutes I should be able to get into the park. I recommend that on days like this. Oh, I should say that this is a Saturday, so if you visit these national parks, and especially Shenandoah National Park, the best time to come up here is during a weekday. But I could not resist today because it's a beautiful fall day. The colors are incredible. What I'm seeing here is that there's one lane to the right here where cars are queued up, and I see a lot of people cheating the system. There's just no decorum out here. Individuals, they'll see the line queued up on this right-hand lane, but they'll go right up ahead hoping some nice person will cut in front of them. That's just, I think that's just disrespectful for the drivers who've been sitting here waiting to get into the park and they want to cheat. So we'll see what the day brings. Let me show you guys what's in front of me again here. So we'll see what the day brings, and I hope to get some incredible footage of the fall colors up here in Shenandoah National Park. After an hour and a half queued up in a line, I finally got into the park. But the colors are something. Really, it's quite something. It's about 76 degrees at present. It's almost 2 p.m. Hopefully I can hike a trail. I see lots of cars broken down, and a lot of these I know it's on the license plates, they're out of state plates too. One plate was from Minnesota, another one was from Idaho. So those folks, they've come a long way. It's beautiful out there. Look at those colors. So horse crossing ahead. This is near the White Oak Falls Trail. And also what's holding traffic up, there are bikers, cyclists on the road, and they can only go so fast, and we're on an incline. Share the road.